Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to use Microsoft Power Automate Flow to find a new line of text. Let's go ahead and create an instant cloud flow. Select a manual trigger airflow and click on create. Let's give title for this flow. Compose a line from the body text. Let's insert a new step. Add an action. Type compose. Choose this one. Let's name it as a compose new line. Let's add a dynamic content as a decode URI component. Decode URI component function is used to decode uniform resource identifier component that has been encoded and give percentage 0a. The percent 0a is the percent encoded form of the Newland character. Click on add. Let's add another compose to input some text. Type compose and change the name to compose text. Let's add another action. Compose. Now we need to find the new line. Change the name into compose find new lines. Let's add dynamic content. Let me paste the content. So now we are splitting the composite text with a separator of new line character. Click on add. Finally add another compose to get the selected line of text. Add a dynamic content. Now we are taking data from last activity and selecting a particular line, that is few lines off. Click on add. Okay, let's save the flow and test it. This is the entire flow. Let's test this flow. Manual trigger and select test. Click on run flow. So now the flow has been run successful. Go to flow run page to see the actual output. Select the recent run flow. Select the last activity. So now we got output as few lines of code as expected. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this particular tutorial, please throw the video a like. It really helps. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further learning that you can access very easily.